Hey there, everybody. We've gotten a number of questions about this particular pop-up that says leave meeting and update available. I want to show you how you can identify this as an actual Zoom pop-up rather than something that you might get if you had a virus or if you went to the wrong website and got a pop-up. So let me just walk you through these steps. All right, I'm going to close all of these windows for a moment. And what I want to do is reopen Zoom. Actually, here I have my icon up here. You could also search in your bar for Zoom to do the same thing. So even without that pop up in Zoom, when I'm signed in, and make sure you are, because you'll get all the features of having an account through GCDS, you have the message here that says a new version is available and then update. So if I click update, it will do the exact same thing that that other pop-up did. You don't usually have to follow those kinds of pop-ups. There's usually another way to reproduce the same effect. So now that pop-up will not come up anymore because I just did the update.